Are you looking for a 3D printer for your studio? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will discuss the 5 best 3D printers on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Flashforge 3D Printer. This 3D printer delivers an impressive combination of speed, precision, and smart functionality, making it a standout choice for both professionals and hobbyists. With its ultra-fast Core XW structure and 20,000 mm/s2 acceleration, it's built for high-efficiency printing, enabling rapid prototyping and quick production runs without compromising quality. The one-click auto-leveling system utilizes a pressure sensor to ensure a perfect first layer every time, reducing setup hassle and improving reliability. Its high-temperature direct drive extruder, combined with a dual-fan cooling system, handles detailed prints with ease while supporting nozzle sizes from 0.25 to 0.8 mm for customizable performance. What sets it apart is the seamless smart control. Users can monitor and adjust prints in real time via the FlashMaker app, and key features like power loss recovery and filament detection ensure minimal disruption. The Flashforge 3D printer offers reliable, high-speed results in a robust, intelligently designed package. Number 2. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer. The ELEGOO 3D printer is a powerhouse for anyone looking to achieve exceptional print quality and performance. Its 10-inch 12K mono LCD screen delivers a staggering resolution of 11,520 x 5,120, allowing for incredibly detailed models with crisp definition and smooth surfaces. The 9H tempered glass protection ensures the LCD stays safe from scratches, maintaining longevity and consistent output. With a generous build volume of over 8.6 inches wide and 10 inches tall, it's ideal for printing larger objects or multiple parts simultaneously, making it highly productive for serious creators. Running on a new Linux OS with 4G RAM, the printer operates with impressive speed and stability. File transfers are smooth and convenient thanks to built-in Wi-Fi compatibility with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. The reliable 4-point leveling system means you only need to level once, and a laser-engraved plate guarantees strong adhesion while making model removal simple. Number 3. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer is an impressive leap forward in high-speed, precision printing. Its advanced Core XY structure delivers remarkable speed, up to 600 Exon/SS, with smooth acceleration that keeps print quality intact, making it significantly faster than most standard 3D printers. What truly sets it apart is the upgraded direct extruder and tri-metal unicorn nozzle, designed to handle high-temperature, abrasive filaments like carbon fiber with ease. The one-tap auto-calibration feature saves time and effort, while the dynamically balanced fan system keeps the printer stable, eliminating common issues like ghosting or ringing. One of the standout features is its AI-powered camera, which allows real-time monitoring and alerts for any printing irregularities, adding a strong layer of reliability and user convenience. Combined with an effective air purification system, this printer is not only fast and smart, but also clean and quiet, ideal for both serious creators and advanced hobbyists. Number 4. Anycubic 10K Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic 10K Resin 3D Printer, specifically the Photon Mono 4, sets a high bar for detail and performance in desktop resin printing. It's a 7-inch 10K mono LCD with a stunning 9.5 24x5, 5,120 resolution, and 17x17 mm XY pixel size, delivering a level of precision that's hard to beat, making even the smallest features on miniatures and prototypes incredibly sharp and lifelike. The Light Turbo Matrix light source enhances print quality by providing balanced, uniform illumination, virtually eliminating layer lines, and creating ultra-smooth surfaces. With a print volume of over 6 inches tall and a redesigned build platform for better adhesion and easy model removal, this machine handles everything from daily hobby tasks to complex projects with ease. It's also designed with user convenience in mind. Shipped pre-calibrated and tested, it's ready to go after a simple initial leveling. The power loss resume function adds extra reliability for longer prints. Number 5. WEEDO 10K Resin 3D Printer. The WEEDO 10K Resin 3D printer, specifically the TINA 2S, is an ideal choice for beginners and young makers eager to dive into 3D printing without any hassle. Fully assembled out of the box, it offers an incredibly simple setup. Just plug it in, level automatically, and start printing right away. The integration with the Polo Print Cloud app brings modern convenience, allowing you to control prints remotely via smartphone or iPad on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Whether at home or in a classroom, the quiet operation ensures a distraction-free environment. Despite its compact size, the TINA 2S delivers impressive precision with a heated spring steel build plate that ensures solid adhesion and easy part removal. It supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PLA+, and TPU, making it perfect for educational projects, prototypes, or hobby crafts. Its open-source firmware is a welcome feature for tinkerers and educators who enjoy customizing and upgrading their tools.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.